And now I think we need to talk about how does a light amplifier work. So this is what I have now for this next topic, is that how does really an optical amplifier really work? So what we mean by an optical amplifier, we need light going in to this magic box here, and we need the light enhanced or increased or amplified at the other end. So the question is, what is this magic box here that takes light from one end and actually amplifies it and sends it out at the other end? All right, that's the key question. So in order to answer this, we have to see what we understand about the interaction of radiation or light with atoms or molecules. Right? So let's start with that. Now, we're very familiar, for example, with light interacting with a material and getting absorbed. That we see that all the time. That's sometimes completely absorbed, and sometimes it's not completely absorbed. Like a piece of glass, for example, if you send light through a piece of glass, if it's uncoated, normal incidence, and so on, you lose about 8% or so for both sides. So other materials will lose more. And we see that all the time. All right? So first, let's understand what that is. Once we understand what absorption is, then let's see how then we can understand amplification. So we'll start first by looking at absorption. All right, so here is in order to understand absorption, we need a model for the atom. All right, and as I say, in this course, we keep everything very simple so that we can get a basic intuitive kind of understanding of what's going on rather than complicate things with a lot of math. Now, a model for an atom, all right, is where, let's say, an atom has several energy levels or orbits or what have you, and the atom, here's the ball, here's the atom, is in its ground state or lowest energy state at the beginning. And all atoms essentially are at their lowest energy states at the beginning. Now, when light comes in from over here, let's say these are two photons coming in, they will interact with the electrons, let's say in this atom, and will excite the electrons to some higher state or even higher states. In this case, I'm only taking a very simple model, just two-level system. Now, if the light wavelength or light frequency is not correct, the atom will not be, or the electrons here will not be excited at all. But if the light frequency or wavelength is a certain value, of a certain value, then the electrons here can be excited, and from now on I'm going to call it the atoms, can be excited from one level to another level. And when the atom is excited from one level to another level,